Breaking for Rex, I got 1-2013 Panini Cooperstown Baseball Hobby Box. Take you around the box, factory sealed. Still breaking live today, guys. 4 boxes of Premier Players Gold Rush Baseball left. If you want to get it on those, breaking live till about 2, then we'll do a group break, and then we'll do some more live breaks after that. So we got some time to do some live breaks now. Start with the topper. Assuming it's not want to come out. There we are. Ricky Henderson. On a topper card, Ricky Henderson. Crown Royale and our memorabilia break tomorrow, guys. Let's get those filled so we can break those right on time. Casey Stengel. There's going to be stuff just falling all out of here on these packs. There's always little stuff and mini cards and little baseballs. Frank Robinson. Out of $2.99, Frank Robinson. George Brett. Charlie Gehringer. Out of $3.99, 261 to $3.99, Charlie Gehringer. Send those orders in for live breaks at 2 o'clock. We're doing our group break. Should be a lot of fun. Al Barlick, umpire. Freddie Banks. Frank Frisch. Out of $2.99, 254, $2.99, Frank Frisch. Oh, Barry Larkin. Frank Chance, out of $4.99. Send those orders in for a live break, guys. Let's get some more good stuff going. Campanella for Brooklyn. Premier Players, 4 boxes left of Premier Players. Tons of good stuff came out this week, so let's get those orders in. Jackie Robinson. A few more packs to go. Homestead Grays, that's right around here. Joe Morgan. See, it has to be coming up soon. Rod Carew, out of $4.99. Send those orders for live break-in, guys. Break until 4 o'clock today. Cy Young out of $3.99. Lou Gehrig. One more packs to go. I think this might be it. Bruce Sutter. Cooperstown Seg Auto, Bruce Sutter. Bob Feller out of $4.99. Yeah, sure was. I'll show it to you one more time after this, as you get a closer look at it. Yeah, sure was. Out of 390, 271 of 390. On card right there. Yeah, thanks for the break, man. We'll see what else we got in. No problem. We'll get those packed up, sent out for you.